Hello, fellow learners. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sandhya Bapat. Let us learn together and be smart. The ruler line is showing me all the measurements in centimeters. So, what I want to do is I want to convert it to inches. So, what we will do is we will click on File menu. We will go to Options. After clicking on Options, you will find it opens a Word Options dialog box. This dialog box is divided into two parts, the left part and the right part. So I will now click on the advanced uh, written here, advanced menu. And in this advanced menu, you will find different sub options. These are all the editing options, cut, copy, paste related options. See here, we have a display option. Now you will find here show measurements in units of. Right now it is in centimeters. If I'll click on this drop down, you will find it's showing me inches, centimeters, millimeters, point and picas. So what I'll do here is I'll click on inches and I'm clicking on OK. As soon as you click on OK, you will find here my scale or ruler line has changed its units. Now it is showing me in inches.